Top 5 Best Impact Drivers. Number 1. Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit, 2-tool, DCK240C2. Ergonomic design, lightweight tools designed to fit the user's needs. Increased visibility. The DCF885 features a built-in LED with 20-second delay after trigger release. Includes 1. DCD771 drill driver, 1. DCF885 1/4 inches impact driver. Number 2. Dewalt 20V Max Impact Driver Kit, 1/4 inch, DCF885C1. Increased visibility, has built-in LED with 20-second delay after trigger release. Ergonomic design, compact, 5.55 inches front to back, and lightweight, 2.8 pounds. Design fits into tight areas. One-handed bit loading, has a 1/4 inch hex chuck and accepts 1-inch bit tips. Number 3. Dewalt 20V Max XR Cordless Impact Wrench Kit with Detent Pin Anvil, 1/2 inch, tool only, DCF894B. Up to 330 feet lbs max of fastening torque at only 3.48 pounds, features precision wrench control. In forward the tool will pause before impacting to help prevent over-tightening. In reverse the tool lowers speed when fastener is loose to help prevent runoff. Number 4. Dewalt 20V Max XR Impact Driver Kit, Brushless, 3-speed, 1/4 inch, tool only, DCF887B. Dual-built brushless motor, compact, lightweight design for tight spaces, variable speed trigger, no load speed 0 to 1000, 2800, 3250, 3-speed settings for versatility with precision drive for added control, 3 LED lights. Number 5. Milwaukee 2767-20 M18 Fuel High Torque 1/2 inch Impact Wrench with friction ring. Provides maximum productivity by removing stubborn and high-torque fasteners up to 2x faster than the competition. Most compact cordless high-torque impact wrench in its class at 8.39 inches in length. Industry-leading 4-mode drive control with bolt removal mode, allowing for ultimate control. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe.